So our next is Arman Rahmim. Go ahead, Arman.
Great, thank you very much. A real pleasure to be here. Thank you. So we are at the Curate Lab, physically at the BC Cancer Agency, which is about a 25-minute shuttle ride from UBC. Many students come to BC Cancer working with different individuals. So our webpage is listed here, curate.ca, so you can visit that and learn more. Essentially what we do in our lab is work on quantitative imaging and therapy of cancer patients. So we come up with innovative solutions. We try to collaborate with a lot of experts, including on the clinical front, and we ultimately try to translate our expertise in physics, mathematics, statistics, engineering, etc., to the patient care. So there's a lot of excitement in this area of theranostics nowadays, and so theranostics is composed of therapeutic and diagnostic imaging of cancer. So what that really means is, imagine you have a certain cancer cell. So I'm showing towards the right a cancer cell, a prostate cancer cell, that's expressing and creating this protein called PSMA, prostate-specific membrane antigen, that is very commonly expressed and created by prostate cancer cells. Imagine if there is a molecule that has been designed, and there's plenty of such molecules, that has been designed to bind to this protein, and that molecule itself is tagged by a radionuclide that might be emitting gamma or gamma emission or beta particles. Well, you can use a gamma to do imaging, and that's what PET imaging, for example, can do, such as the images that you see on the right. And if you are now doing it tagging with something that's emitting beta particles or alpha particles, then you would be sticking to the tumors and bombarding the heck out of them. So it's a very, very interesting approach, because look at the patient on the right, again, with prostate cancer all over the body. And what happens is that you inject this molecule, this radio molecule into the body. It goes and it sits and it finds and essentially binds to the various prostate cancer cells that have spread through the body. So this is a metastatic prostate cancer patient, unfortunately, that has become resistant to any kind of therapy, to hormone therapy. Clearly, radiotherapy won't work because you got cancer all over the body. But through this injection and these molecules going and finding all these cancer cells, you end up with a treatment that you see the result after this therapy on the very right, which you essentially see cancer is gone or has been highly controlled. So what we try to do is to do advanced quantitative imaging and to, for example, this is tomographic imaging. So tomography is a very fascinating field, and so we also look at the inverse problems associated with that. We use AI methods to automatically quantify the tumor burden on this patient and to predict the outcome on these patients, to essentially allow us to personalize therapy of cancer patients. So if you're interested to find out more, just consult our webpage and feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.